Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're going to show you the CPAA video. It's a wireless Android Auto wireless CarPlay adapter and also give you Netflix and YouTube. And we're testing on an LDV T60 Lux. And it's very easy to use. Just plug and play on the USB port on the right side of your vehicle. And then just wait a few seconds for the device to be recognized by the car. And you will see a new exciting screen with Netflix, YouTube, and also will allow you to have wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as well. So here we go. Comes up, it's installed, and it's coming up now. And here we go. It's up and running. So the first thing we do is we go into settings, and then we go into network and internet. This is to get Netflix working. So we'll just go there and get the we're gonna get the hotspot turned on my mobile phone. Yeah, it's coming up and it's connected now. So the hotspot is connected on my iPhone, and now once we have the hotspot connected, we just go into Netflix, and that's it. Netflix coming up. There we go. It's easy as just sharing your hotspot on your mobile phone and pressing the button, and you will have Netflix working on your LDV T60. So the other things you can have is Bluetooth, and of course the other beautiful features as wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as well working on the device. So here we go. We just select the profile, and there we go. We have now a movie ready to be played and working. So that's there we go. We're gonna have Netflix coming up in seconds, and of course the speed depends on how close you are from your hotspot. Of course, how good is the hotspot system, but yeah, that should be fine. Here we go. So that's Netflix. We're gonna watch a little bit of YouTube now. Here we go. YouTube working for you guys. If you want to watch a video, just press it and wait for the video to load up, and that's it. Very simple and easy. Netflix and YouTube on your LDV T60. Now the most important thing, I guess, is wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So let me show you in a video wireless CarPlay. So easy. For CarPlay, you just simply go into this button and you will connect via Bluetooth with your mobile phone, follow instructions, and here we go. Wireless CarPlay working in your car. As you can see, it's very easy, touchy, just works very easy. And now the most important part is wireless Android Auto. And now for Android Auto, simply just select this one, connect your mobile phone via Bluetooth, and here we go. We have wireless Android Auto working, and excellent maps. If you want to see the maps, are there. If you want to see music, and it works also with your steering wheel system, so it's just as simple as that. So you want to put the volume up and down, it just works like that, and of course with your touch screen. So it's a real wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, Netflix, YouTube, everything all together. So, and if you want to exit from this, just go here and you go back into this menu where you can do mirroring, casting. Also, if you have a USB stick, you can put it in here and watch movies on your screen. You have movies on a USB stick. And if you want to exit back to the car screen, just go here, and this is your car radio. So very simple, very easy to use. It's the new CPAA video from Smart World on an LDV T60 Lux. And if you want to find more solutions, go to www.smartworldcompany.com.